3 facts about iguanas that don't make sense. Fact 1. Iguanas regularly fall out of trees from heights up to 40 feet and walk it off completely unharmed. To put in perspective, the world's tallest mammal was 8 feet and 11 inches tall. That's nearly 5 times his height. Their bodies are built to absorb the impact, and they also can't feel pain the same way we do, so they literally just get up and keep moving. Fact 2. Iguanas are actually surprisingly strong swimmers, and they can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes. Basically just Michael Phelps as an animal, and they do it because when they feel threatened, they'll just dive into the water and wait it out on the bottom until the predator gives up and leaves. Last fact. Iguanas actually have a third eye on the top of their head. It's called the parietal eye, and it can't see images, but it can detect light and shadow. They use it to detect predators coming from above, so while you think you're sneaking up on it, it already knows you're there. Subscribe for more animal facts.